In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite skins not loading on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix if you are noticing that skins are not loading or they are loading in slowly. So, here are some simple solutions that you can follow. First, restart your PlayStation 4. This might seem extremely simple and nonsensical. However, if your PlayStation 4 has been running for a while, maybe it is overheating, maybe you have played various games back to back, close them down, open another them up, and restarting your PlayStation 4 is going to help you remove all this cache and temporary data that has been stored. By restarting it, it is going to be a fresh restart, meaning that Fortnite will be able to utilize the memory and the resources to its advantage, helping you with loading times and a better gameplay experience. You can even leave it off for a few seconds. The next thing to do is check for updates. Ensure that your PlayStation 4 software and Fortnite specifically are updated to the latest version. Sometimes updates will include bug fixes that might address skin loading problems or any sort of problems attributed to different games, including Fortnite. Next thing to check is your internet connection. If you have a weaker signal, even though you might be able to get in-game and see all of the skins, see the gameplay working properly, if the internet is not enough to download the materials, the models, and so on, they aren't going to load in properly, so the game might use replacements or simply not show them. The last thing that you can try to do is rebuild the PlayStation 4 database. This process can help reorganize fragmented data on your PlayStation 4, potentially fixing issues related to corrupted game files. But it is a tricky thing to do, and you should back up your saved data for any other games before attempting this as a precaution. So, by doing all of these steps, making sure that your PlayStation 4 is not overheating, and always keeping it clean, you should be good to experience Fortnite with the best quality possible and make sure that everything such as the models and the skins load in properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite skins not loading on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.